स्वागता और मैं
The pain.
So right now guys, we are just roaming around at Dubai Canal, and it is one of the awesome places in Dubai guys. If you want to experience downtown of Dubai but at the same time you want to feel peaceful, then you can come at any time over here. Oh my god guys, this is going to be closed. In fact, it has already closed, and now by closed what I mean is, the earlier shot, if you see, the waterfall was opened in between. Those white colors were not there, so water was not falling from there, and when the boats have passed by, it has given the way to them, and when they passed by, the water has come over there as well. It looks really awesome guys. And if you're wondering why are these colors, or rather if you see red, white, black, it's blue, but then it should be treated as black, and then green. Now I'll tell you what are these colors for. These are actually UAE flag colors. So if you see, okay, see, it's over here. As you can see, this is UAE flag, and there are red, green, white and black colors over there in this UAE flag. So as in the waterfall, they have lit up waterfall with all these possible colors. Now they can't put, of course, black over there, so they have replaced black with blue, and it looks similar to black guys, and it looks really awesome, right? So as you can easily see guys, this is the most convenient and peaceful place to be at. Yeah, of course. So look at a long walkway they've got over here, and then of course the view around that we showed, and then this is a metro over here, and what else we have?
And the biggest skyscrapers. But the only missing thing is here, Abhishek, what?
Of course,
Food.
And guys, there's one thing, you've got very easy access to this canal or waterfall if you want to come to. There's a big parking over there which is just behind me under the bridge. So there's that parking, and we literally can see our cars, so it is not that far at all. It's hardly half a minute, right?
Yes, only half a minute.
And one more cool thing we have spotted here guys. What is it exactly? Now Swagata is going to explain. It's a what?
It's a waterproof charger.
Oh, waterproof charger. Yes. It's a mobile charger?
Yes.
That's a cool thing. So guys, this is the first thing that you have to read once you are here. You have to obey their rules, otherwise fines are literally heavy. I hope you can see it. As you can see guys, my family is resting over there, so there are a lot of benches kept over here to relax. And not only this is the best spot to take in some of the Instagram pictures, right? That waterfall somehow I feel very noisy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very loud, but it looks very beautiful.
Yes, it does look very beautiful guys. I'm sure you would love it once you're here. What do you feel?
Come with your family and have some great time. Waterfall? आई वाला?
मस्त.
First time बघतोय ना?
दादा वरती जायचं?
चला जाऊया वरती.
So here is the lift is there, and we are now inside the lift, and we'll be going to Sheikh Zayed Road to capture waterfront from the top. So we have come just next to the busiest roads in Dubai, which is Sheikh Zayed Road. Look at the speed with which cars are moving over here. Oh my god.
It is the best place to capture time lapse. What do you think of it?
Yes, really it is. I mean, just look at the speed.
Oh, metro is
Oh my
here.
god, we got to capture metro as well.
Now it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful waterfall and water canal, because right now time is 9:30 and we are all feeling hungry. So are you guys feeling hungry?
Yeah, quite hungry. So as you heard guys, we're feeling hungry, so we'll be heading to one of the cafeterias. Only if they would have had certain food outlet or kind of restaurant over here, we would have thought of staying longer, because guys, this is an awesome place, trust me. And once you come here, you actually will not feel like going out or going elsewhere unless until you are feeling hungry, because that is the only drawback of this place, that they don't have any kind of food outlet. So I wish they open something in future with which, you know, they can make people stay longer, but right now it's not the case. I'm sorry. So we'll be heading to a restaurant, guys. So stay tuned and we'll see you there.
Bye. Not bye. Come with us.
A few moments later.
तो हमने सोचा कुछ अलग तरीके से व्लॉग एंड करते हैं आज। तो हम सीधा दुबई कैनाल से अजमान बीच पे आ गए, और हर एक एमिरेट्स की, जैसा कि मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि एक खासियत है कि हर एक एमिरेट को इधर बीच मिला है, तो वैसे ही अजमान को भी है। और फ़िलहाल हाई टाइड चल रही है और मेरी पूरी फैमिली वेव्स को देख के हाई टाइड एंजॉय कर रही है। अब भी मिला क्या ये शेरी फिश? ओ, बहुत बड़ा मिला। हमको बीच के एग्जैक्टली ऑपोजिट साइड एक फिली रेस्टोरेंट मिला है। फिली, अगर आपको पता नहीं रहेगा तो ये चाय कॉफ़ी के लिए बहुत फेमस है। तो हमने पेरेंट्स को उधर बिठा के रखा है बीच की तरफ, और हम जाने वाले हैं अभी चाय कॉफ़ी लाने के लिए। और स्वागता गिर गई।
बीच पे बैठ के कॉफी पीने का मजा कुछ और ही है, और वो भी पेरेंट्स के साथ। वाओ। चाय।
तो चलो दोस्तों, ये व्लॉग अभी इधर हम लोग एंड करेंगे। और ये हमने सोचा था कि हम दुबई कैनाल पे ही सिर्फ व्लॉग करेंगे, लेकिन हम आए अजमान में, और वी जस्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ एंडिंग इट इन अजमान, एट अजमान बीच। तो कैसा लगा अजमान बीच?
अजमान बीच तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, काफ़ी सब बहुत ठंडी हवा है यहाँ पे और मज़ा आ रही है।
और कितने फिशेस मिले?
फिशेस बहुत शौकीन लोग पीछे फिशेस पकड़ रहे हैं, उनको भी 2-3 फिश तो अभी मिले हैं, एंड दे ट्राइंग फॉर अनदर्स ऑल्सो, मिल जाएंगे उनको।
और आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत मजा आया है।
तो अगर दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू INS व्लॉग। और ऐसे ही बहुत सारी व्लॉग आएंगे क्योंकि हमारी फैमिली आई है दुबई में। बाय।
अगर आपको इस व्लॉग के बिहाइंड द सीन्स देखने के हैं तो मैं कैमरा ऑन रखता हूँ, उनको फ़िलहाल पता नहीं है कैमरा ऑन है।
ठंडी बात नहीं पापा, तुमको